This video will go through how to change your company information that is displayed for the client to see, as well as where to change the location of where you want your files to save so that you don't have to do it every time you save your file. So we're going to open KCD. And right now you can see I don't have a company heading right now. I can either say yes to do this now, and it'll prompt me to add in the information, or I can do it when I'm in the system. So if I go into change, I can go into the edit system. And here we've got edit startup, options, colors, black, white shading, settings, the toolbar, if we want to hide it or not, and the company heading. So here is where we can So when I hit OK, now it says company name. That's where that will show, but it will also show when we print our multi-print or presentation style designs. So if we want to change the location of where we are saving our files, you can either do this every time you, and I'll just add a wall to start. You can either go into Save Job As every single time. When you hit Save Job, it's going to prompt to really the last place I saved it. Often it's going to default into the KCD software itself. But if I wanted to, I can change where I want it to save. Often we might save it to a cloud-based program. We might have a folder that's set up. You might always want your files to go to the desktop so that it's not in the system itself. So we'll click on Edit Startup. And then in here is where you'll click on Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is where you can change the location. So here, your job directory location, currently it defaults into KCD. So you'd have to open KCD, go into Open File, go into your jobs, and then pull your file. Now we can choose where we want it to go. So if I want to choose a directory from the list, I can just click on my drop down, go into my operating options. And if I double click on it, it's going to give me basically the computer files. So I could choose to put it on my desktop. So now everything that I do perhaps will go into this file or a file that I've already placed onto my desktop. So if I hit apply and OK, now every time I save my job, it will automatically go to the desktop.